Hi guys, once again, this is Frank Ilo from Afro Design Studios. In today's lesson, we shall be learning how to split a wall surface, or a floor surface to enable you apply two different or multiple colors on the same surface. So, without much talk, let's just get started. You can do this either on a default 3D view like this or on your elevation views. Okay, I normally do mine on my elevation views, but when it becomes difficult to highlight a particular surface, I go or I switch to my default 3D view. So I want to begin with my south elevation. So I go to south elevation under my project browser. I double click on south. Then I want to split it from this level at the window level, at the middle of the window, so that I can apply two different colors. So what I'm going to do now is this: I go to split face, click on split face. I try to locate this very wall. Okay, you can see the blue lines going around in C form. So I click on it. I'm going to locate the height I want to split it from. It can be at the middle of this wall. Okay, I select this midpoint, click on the midpoint and take it here. Now before I go on, I want to explain something. You can see an orange colored line here vertically. You can see another orange line here vertically. What it means is that for you to be able to split this pink line must touch this orange line and touch this other orange line. It must not extend beyond it or stop halfway. Okay, so if I go here now and hit finish edit mode, it will split. Okay, it has splitted now. So I click on an empty space outside. I can apply two different materials there. I can go to paint now, click on paint. I may decide to use another material. Let me use this asphalt shingle. Click on this and click here. You can see it. That one has another different color now. I can also use this very color. Click on this color, the brick, and click here. I have achieved two different colors on the same surface. So I can click done. It will remain like that, but let me undo. I'm still showing you something. I go back and go back again and still go back and still go back. Okay, the four orange lines are still showing. What it means is this: I can still split vertically. What I did before was horizontally. Let me split it vertically. I can split like this. Click here on this horizontal orange line that is on top, and click on the other horizontal orange line that is at the bottom. I click. Then if I hit, what is it called, finish edit mode, it will split. So I can go to paint, click on paint, select this shingle, paint this one like this, select this one, paint this one like this. Very easy and simple. Then there's another way you can also split. I'm undoing. Okay, after undone, I can click here, select line. I can click on this very place, click like this. I want to do a funny shape, click like this, go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this, and come here. If I go to finish edit mode, it will split it the way I have shaped it. But take note that whatever you are sketching must close in. Let the orange line close it in. There should not be gap. Okay, the orange line should close it in. So having done this, I go to my finish edit mode, click on finish edit mode, and click outside. It has splitted now. I can apply different colors. Go to paint, click on this shingle and paint it here, then select this other one and paint it here. Okay, this is how to split your, what is it called, your wall surfaces. So let me undo this, because this is not what I want to do. That is not what I want to do. Okay, what I want to do is to split it horizontally. So I go like this, click here and go here, then I click finish edit mode. Now you can see one thing, that this thing did not get to this point. This is where the whole surface stops, but this one is the one that is coming vertical, that is coming perpendicular to us. It's coming perpendicular to the screen, so he was not able to capture it. So you have to do this one separately, so you can, this splitting will get to the end. So you try to go to split face and try to locate it. You can see it, that single line, that single wall that is perpendicular is selected. You click on it. So you now start where this one stopped. Click on this one and go here and go to finish model, then click outside. Then you can now paint it whatever color you want. So we are going to paint this color, beige color. Click on this. Want the beige to start from this point all the way up. So I'm going to do the same thing I've done here all around this building, but because of our time, I won't be doing it on the video. So you can use this as your guide and replicate what I've just done other places. But before I go, let me also show you this one and how to also split floor. The way you splitted your wall, you can split your floor too. But when you want to split something like this area is supposed to carry the same material or paint with my, what is it called, with my step. This step, the material this step is carrying is what is the material itself? Let me get my material. What's the material of the step? What's the material of this step? Let me see. Okay, the material is wood material, walnut. Okay, that is the same material I'm going to be applying on this place, but I have to split it so that it make it uniform. So what do? I go to split, click on split, come here, highlight this very lower part of the wall, click on it. Then you can see the orange colored line below, and you can see it above. So I click from here, the one that is below, click on it and take it to the one that is up and click on it. Then I come here and finish everything up and click outside or press escape. When I have done that, I go to my paint, click on paint. I will try to locate that wood material, wood walnuts, wood walnuts, wood walnuts. Here is it. I click on it, then I click here. You can see it is now uniform. Let's look at it from the default 3D view. You can see it is now uniform. So this one has stopped somewhere here. Okay, now I want to split the floor. To split the floor, you use the same method. Go to, what is it called, split face, click on split face, try to locate the floor. I have located the floor now. This is the floor. I click on it. Then I want to split this into two. I come somewhere here at the middle of it, click it. You do not just come and say you want to stop here. Don't stop here. Take it all the way to where the orange color is. This is the orange color. When it is perpendicular, you will know. Okay, it is perpendicular now. That is why the dotted blue line is showing. It is perpendicular now, so you can now click. If you stop halfway here, it will not work. So I click on, what is it called, click on finish edit mode. So I can now split these two surfaces on the floor. I go to paint, select paint. Which material am I going to use now? Let me look for a bright color so that we can see it very well. Let me select this orange color. No. Let me go up a bit. What are we going to use now? Okay, let's use these two materials. Okay, select this, click on this and click here. You can see this, the floor is being splitted. I also select this ceiling tile and click here. You can see it. Or I can select the sherry, click here. You can see it. So that is how it works. Okay, so we have been able to learn how to split walls and floors. So with this, you can now conclude by going around the building, and you can also try it with your own personal projects. Thank you once again for watching this video, and just jump to YouTube and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.